Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devin. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. All right, and then for my lip combo of today, we went really simple. The lip liner I am using is by Beauty Vault. It's a very old lip liner, but this is in the shade Cozy Kira. Again, y'all know me and my browns. This is pretty much like a reddish brown type of shade. So I lined my lips and then filled in the sides just a little bit. And over top, I just have on a gloss today, and I can tell you guys that I'm gonna be obsessed with this gloss for this month. It's an older gloss. This is a MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade See Through, and y'all know me, I love me a good nude lipstick, so this lip gloss came in clutch and I love this combo. So yeah, that is my lip combo for the day. And in today's video, you guys, I have a fun unboxing for you guys of a luxury on a budget type of video. You guys, I'm so excited. So this is going to be a true first impressions unboxings of a, you know, designer item at a more affordable price. I literally was getting ready to wash off my makeup and everything else. Like my kids, my son is finna get out of school. Literally finna, you know, get the cleaning up because I did just film about, you know, a couple hours ago. And my doorbell rings and it's a package from a company who've already worked with before. I don't know how the brand is pronounced, but I'll put the name on the screen because I'm not sure the pronunciation, but I have worked with them before. Any videos that I have with any of their bags, I will have that linked below. But you guys, they reached out to me and wanted to partner up again and send me another bag. So I decided to go ahead and get a pair of shoes, you guys, and it is a pair of sandals, and I'm super duper excited because I love me some good sandals. You know, spring is right around the corner, so I was looking forward to this package, and it has arrived quicker than expected. So this is the packaging that it normally comes in. It's in a FedEx packaging. I don't want to show you the front because it has my address on here, inside of a box, and then your box inside of there. Go ahead and pull the shoes out. Is inside of the box, you guys, and I'm so excited to open these and look at them. I do have a pair of authentic Hermes sandals, which I probably did a video on them maybe like 2 summers ago or 2 years ago, because I think I got them around January 2023 or something like that. I tell you, I have never wore them sandals. I'm determined to wear them this summer, but I've never wore them sandals, okay? But I seen these, and these I were actually looking at on the actual website, but the price for them is a little bit like outrageous for what I'm willing to pay right now. So when the company reached out to me and wanted to send me a pair of shoes and I got to pick, I was like, yes, I want these, because honestly, I don't care. Like, they have knockoffs of these shoes everywhere. But as you can see, that's the box. So when you open it up, this is the paper, and then inside are the shoes, and they are inside of baggies, so that is good because I'm more than likely going to get rid of this box. It does come with the little card and such. Not that you need any of this. I don't ever need any of this. It gets tossed because I don't care about that. It does come in 2 dust bags, which I love that they come in separate dust bags. Okay, inside they come in some plastic, and let me pull them both out so you can see them. Okay, they are adorable, and they look just like this, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to be wearing these. So cute. I cannot wait to put these on. So it comes with some stuffing. This is the sandal up close. Like I said, I really wanted to get some of these. I did have some furry ones that I wanted, like they're the Sherpa. If they had brown and Sherpa, I would have got those, but they just had these, so I got this. It does say Hermes right here. It also says it in the insole, and oh my god, these feel so nice. This strap here is adjustable if you would like to adjust it. Let me put these on my feet really quickly. I am going to show you guys some close-ups of them. I'm gonna get short for a second because I have on some shoes. Y'all, they feel so amazing. Probably gonna be like my go-to errand shoes. I love me a good sandal. This shoe has just enough cushion in it. It feels really soft, smooth. It feels like it's going to be a very comfortable sandal. And what I will say about the authentic Hermes that I have, they are the leather sandals, and they're just the regular without the strap, and they're a little, you know, not comfortable. So I like that these have that soft material. The insole is extremely soft. It looks super cute. I can tell these are going to be really nice and durable. They're not cheaply made at all. Like, they are really nicely made. I did get mine in a size 36, and I want to say they said the 36 is like a 5.5, but I normally wear 36, and you know, I'm a regular 6, so I guess it just kind of depends. This is the bottom of the shoe. It looks really good, y'all. These look amazing. Like, oh my, I cannot wait to wear these. I'm probably gonna put these on this week if I go anywhere. These are for sure going to be like my everyday. You can wear these with everything: jeans, skirts, shorts. These are just going to be so fun and really cute for the summertime. I think that's my kids coming in. So fun for the summertime. So you guys, I cannot wait. I am going to put in some clips of me, you know, actually wearing them, showing them on my feet. But y'all, I'm so ecstatic about these shoes. I can't even tell you. So I will have all of the information for the company, my discount code, everything that you need will be linked in the description box, as well as I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can check that out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I had no intentions on filming this today, but I wanted to go ahead and film these because I already know that these are going to be some sandals that I'm going to get a ton of use out of them. So I'm glad I went ahead and picked them out. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.